Hey YouTube, on today's episode of Garage Boys, I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light on a 2004 Honda Pilot. Very easy job. We just did our oil change, so now we're going to reset that ourselves. You know, why pay the mechanic? What you got to do is you're going to turn on the vehicle, have it in off, the ignition. You're going to press this select reset button right here, hold it in, and now turn on the ignition. I had somebody put it on the on position. Don't turn on the car, but just put it on the on position while holding this button in. You're going to hold it for 10 seconds. You know, just with a little while. As you can see that I kind of went out, but I think it hasn't been 10 seconds. I'm just going to keep waiting. I think that's about it. Okay, so I'm going to let go. Boom, that's it. Now you're going to pull back the key and I'll turn on the car. And voila, no more maintenance required light. Awesome. Just do this after you do your oil change, obviously. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, share this if you know somebody that needs it. Thanks a lot. Take care.